Yo, what's up, Corn Balance? Welcome back to another episode. I got my buddy Yan over here. What up, Yan? This guy looks like he's 12, but he's actually way older than that. He's in the military, right?
Yeah.
How old are you?
I'm 21.
What do you do?
I'm an 351 assaultman.
You're an assaultman? So
Yeah.
you carry rifles and shit?
Yep.
What do you got, like a SCAR?
I wish.
Huh?
Not
Scar
that
out?
fancy.
What do you got?
I got like a
M16?
good old M4.
M4, not bad.
Yeah.
That's what's up. You're getting deployed soon too, huh?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
Afghan.
What's your plan over there?
Stack buddies.
Oh shit, okay.
Hopefully.
Right on, dude.
Probably not.
And we got his Type R in my driveway today. Let's check this thing out. Get some more footage of this. Tell us about your car, buddy.
Well, I had a bunch of different cars earlier this year. I started with like an FDRX7 influenced by this guy right here.
You had a Corolla too, huh? Briefly.
I had a Corolla.
Briefly.
About
Yeah.
like 2 months.
And he ditched that, huh? No good?
No, Corolla
Now you
was
didn't
whack.
feel it?
Was not feeling it.
Why?
no.
Why? What happened?
Corolla game's whack. Corolla people are whack.
Whoa, no, hey, don't say that.
I can't say it. I
Don't say that.
Everyone, but
It just wasn't for you, right?
it just wasn't for me.
All right,
no.
that's what's up. So now you got a Honda. Well, you
yeah.
always had this.
I always had this as like a daily driver.
This is a real deal Type R? What is this thing?
Real deal Type R.
It's not GSR converted?
I wish.
How do you tell?
Two things you can tell. I mean, 5 lug straight off the bat. That's
Okay.
like one thing that gets
5 lug with the Kumos, right? Oh, this is legit. This is
You get
like
the old
OG.
school, the
This is
old
OG.
school sticker. Yep.
Yo, this thing's clean inside.
I mean, for the miles, it's not that bad. The only thing that really needs work is
What's the
like
mileage on this thing?
174, 175.
Damn, this thing has almost 200K?
Yeah.
It's really clean for that.
Hold on real quick.
Okay.
So, the original owner blew up like the OG motor. So you put like the JDM B18C. It's got like Mugen headers all the way back.
Those?
Yeah. Gen 1 Mugens, I guess. I don't know. I'm not really into the Honda like stuff. I just kind of have a Honda. It's not really. I mean,
Dude, you gotta be about the life now, man. You're all.
I know.
Both your cars are Hondas.
Both my cars are Hondas. Both my
You're
cars
about the
are
life now,
VTEC.
dude?
Unfortunately, I guess.
Unfortunately?
until I get a G-Wagon, then I'll be
Oh,
about that
sure.
life. Pump tech, intake, and that's pretty much it.
Dude, you gotta be more stoked about the cars you own, man. Just rock this thing, dude.
Yeah. I mean,
Does this burn oil when you hit VTEC?
no.
No, it's clean, dude. It's mint.
Yeah. I think that like this motor has maybe only.
Send it, bro.
Dude, I send it
You
like.
send it all day, right?
Yeah, and then I broke the motor mounts, but we're still gonna send it.
We're still gonna send it.
because it's
You
just
don't
a
rattle,
beta.
but we're gonna send it,
It's
right?
just a beta, yeah. Everything's like easy to get to, you know.
Yeah, it's true. Your motor mounts are just like right there.
Yep.
That's nice. Pretty decent sized car. How much are these worth nowadays, man?
They're getting expensive, like stupid expensive.
Are
This
they?
one's probably not gonna be worth that as much because of mileage and the.
Why are they like pretty rare in the United States, like in terms of quantity?
I think so. I mean, like, there's only a couple hundred like produced in each year in each color.
Yeah.
But there's one on like the Barrett Jackson auctions right now that's going for $75,000 is minimum. reserve.
75. Well, how much is like a street value for this thing worth?
A
Like
street
something like
value?
this.
I'd
How much would you
probably-
sell this for?
I'd sell this for like 25. Maybe.
25K. Wow,
Yeah,
really?
It's not much, but it's like as much as I paid for it, pretty much. So like.
But they're not cheap.
No. Yeah. I mean, it's just a fucking.
Well, I mean, like a
Integra.
GSR is like worth like what? Like.
$300.
Yeah. So why is this like 25K, dude? That's insane. Just because of the Type R?
Because it's Type R.
It's that rare, huh?
Yeah.
Dude, you don't drive this thing, huh? Because you're always like on base and SoCal.
Yeah, so I rotate between this and my other daily.
What's your other daily?
91 NSX.
Oh, you like Hondas, huh? We got a Honda boy over
Fucking
here.
hated Hondas, and then
What's
I
up
got
with this
one
guy?
and I realized I
VTEC
liked
life,
them.
huh?
Yeah, VTEC's cool, I guess.
Yeah.
But sells fuel economy, so that's why.
That's true, and the reliability.
Reliability, yeah.
Yeah.
You can just drive them around. beat
True
them
that.
up,
Hey, let
no
me
one
drive
cares.
this thing.
Yeah.
All right, man, let's go.
Yep.
We're gonna mob to my buddy Ruth's house because he wants to see this thing, and then I think they're fender rolling some shit. So let's do this. How do you start this thing?
Like
Any
a
weird
little Honda
things I need to know about, like before?
No, not really.
That is not the keyhole, huh?
It's on the left. Steering column?
Oh, there we go. Turn that AC on, bro.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Not bad. Everyone's about that race car life. They just rip out ACs these days, man.
I know, and then you get caught in the desert, and it's like 120.
Yeah.
and
Hey, what's up with this fake carbon? Is that?
That's
that
OE.
That's
Yep.
OE, huh?
That's OE right there, yeah.
Matte printed fake carbon.
But see, this is how whack they were. They only put it there. They didn't put it on like the passenger side because I guess fuck. the
What? They have it
passenger.
here though.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, that's.
What? So
Yep.
they have it on the left side,
But not on the right
center,
side.
and then they forgot this one.
Yep.
Sick.
That's
Attention to detail.
Exactly. Exactly.
What about this material right here? Is that Type R related only, or?
I don't even know. I don't think so. I think it's just regular Integra tool.
Okay.
But yeah,
Let's do this. Ooh, you got your titanium NSX keys down here. I see.
chilling. Yep.
That's cool. Steering wheel's pretty tight. I mean, it's not tight. It's kind of loose actually.
Yeah.
Like, look at all this play in the middle.
Yep. Front wheel drive life.
Is that how it is?
Front wheel drive life. Yeah.
Okay. Other than that, the chassis feels good.
For the mileage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Engine feels pretty good too. AC's cold. I like it. Not bad. The shifter, man, you gotta get used to this shifter.
Yeah. It's like I feel like Honda Shift is a hit or miss.
Is this like stock? Like
That's
just
stock.
like that?
Yeah.
Super notchy and kind of hard to get
Super
into.
notchy, yeah.
When's VTEC kick in?
5,800?
5,800?
Yeah.
Okay. I think one thing, if I can make a recommendation, is you gotta get a new steering wheel, buddy.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I've got
feels like a boat.
I have a Mugen like tuner steering wheel. I just haven't put it in because
Yeah, this thing's freaking huge, bro.
it's like a steering. It's like a bus.
It's like a 380 mil or something.
Yep. I like to mess around with the inputs.
Right.
Like if a car doesn't have good inputs, it's not a fun car to drive. You know, like
Exactly.
the
It's
car
all about
can
the
be-
response and driver like inputs. Exactly.
Yeah, like the car can be as like baller as possible, but if it has
Like-
really shitty inputs, then what's the
Yeah,
point?
power should be like third. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like do the inputs, do the responsiveness first, do this chassis tuning and suspension first,
Yep.
or second, and then go for power. Wow, dude. It's clean in here.
Surprisingly,
It's nice.
yeah.
It's nice. No sunroof. No Integra type cars have sunroof.
No, yeah, no try to have a sunroof, which is like another big giveaway for some cars. You see, like a lot of GSRs that converted.
Easy to drive, man. All Hondas are really easy to drive.
Exactly,
That's
yeah.
the thing. Like, you just get in them and go.
Yep.
Does it have coilovers or anything like that?
No, stock suspension.
Stock suspension?
All blown.
All blown.
Every single shock is
So
blown.
blown motor mounts, blown suspension. What else is blown?
I mean, motor,
Engine might be
maybe.
blown?
Soon, hopefully one day.
Soon one day it'll be blown.
Any excuse to like K-swap this car, and I will.
Dude, what is this engine? B18?
B18C,
Oh, it's
yeah.
B18. Shit, I know some Hondas, dude. So you're gonna keep this car though?
Maybe. So my plan for 2019: come back from deployment, buy a G-wagon, buy a
Okay.
trailer,
Okay.
tow the NSX behind the G-wagon.
Just race out the
to track.
NSX.
Yeah, I'm just gonna like completely turn to a track car,
Okay.
but streetable still. You know,
Yeah,
you gotta
yeah,
like
yeah.
maintain that like.
You got a good deal on your NSX too, right? Like how much is that thing?
I got it for 32, 33 around
Out the door,
Out
right?
the door, yeah.
What's the mileage on that thing? What year?
78,000 and it's 91.
78,000, 91, 32, 33 out the door.
Yep.
It's a good price. VTEC Live, bro. Yeah, VTEC! All right, what's up? We're here at the Rub Doctor's house. You got the Disneyland shirt over there. Yo, Rub Doctor, say what's up.
What's up?
Is that here fender rolling? We're checking on his fridge. Come take a look. What is this stuff?
Stupid NSX parts, man.
NSX Sport, is that a tranny right there?
Yeah.
Just more VTEC
Just
stuff.
chilling?
Open sesame, stepping through the mist, this the specialist. Come in the box and flooded with rocks. We'll get down for mine, the kind that makes cement fillers. Standing in the company of killers. Follow my trail as I walk through the valley of death. Left to fear no evil, cause what I grip is.
You know, like you got it good when you can just.
You're picking a spot and having yourself.
Dude, nice. Look at that thing over there. You see that? Let's go take a look at it. What do you think, Yan?
It's really low.
This is sick. Now this is how you VIP something out. Suicide doors in the back. Damn, straight mobster status.
That's dope.
There's nothing modern that can touch the swag of a Lincoln Continental like
Yep.
this. Huh?
You should get one of these things.
Dude, I wish. Like you can see the side mirrors just like in this little
Yeah.
channel.
Little valley.
We might get shot because we're in this dude's driveway, but
Yeah, AC works and everything too. Damn.
Yeah, of course AC works.
Anthony, how do you fix this over here? Is this fixable? This is like rubbing right here, huh? Just pull the caster back. Get some more camber.
Screw something.
Yeah.
A lot of times, that's why people run those rubber band, the rubber band bumper quick release fasteners.
Oh yeah, the thing that goes like on that side.
So that's why those aren't slow cars.
Stupid.
Yo, what kind of shifter you got in here, man?
But why
Hybrid
is Travis
racing?
on it? Car's not
What
even
is it?
that low.
Hybrid racing.
Hybrid racing? Yeah. That's clean.
What kind of knob is that?
Yeah, what kind of knob is that?
It's Battlecraft.
Oh, it's a
Battlecraft. Oh, okay.
Nice.
Take a damn trampoline.
Dang. Look at that active camber.
Let me go
I think it looks like it's clearing pretty good.
What's that? Oh,
Yo, what you know about this GT wing life, boy?
so much downfalls. There's adapters for adapters to make that thing higher. It's plan.
What's the plan? What are we doing?
Going back to your place, being on G-Wagon, going to SF,
Uh huh.
going to Japan.
Why are you putting it on the floor?
Fuck.
Fail. We're not doing none of that shit now, dude. That's it. Ooh.
Okay, what's the plan?
Okay, now what's the plan? You get to choose.
So we're picking up the G-Wagon, going to SF, because Grand Mighty wants ramen.
Actually, this guy wants ramen. But I'm down for ramen.
I'm down
That's
for
the
ramen.
thing.
And then we're going to pick up his other car and drive both through the tailgate.
So ramen. What am I gonna do with the G-Wagon then?
Follow.
That's not a solid plan. I can't do
That's
that.
a solid plan.
No, dude, things gonna flip over.
Solid plan. You have the skills. We believe in you.
You believe in me?
Have the technology.
I'm the chosen one, huh? We have the technology. We can make this happen. All right, do it again, and then I'll take the G-Wagon and the Toge. Make it land, I'll take the G-Wagon and the Toge.
It's just chill toy session, you know what I mean? Just like
That's what's up.
versus
Let's make it happen. Let's see. We're not doing that, bro.
Come on, okay,
we're not doing
listen.
that shit. We're not doing it. That's it. I got a plan.
You need extra ones?
Let's go to your house
you
and
need
throw a
extra?
fat
Yeah.
rager. Let's invite all your Tinder dates over. What
And you need extras?
do you think?
Need extras?
Do I extra? Oh no.
Didn't you match with like 65 people today, dude?
What's up?
Did you match with like 65 people today?
Listen, it's not about the
Just
quantity.
invite
it's about
every
the
single
quality.
one of them to your house today.
We're just gonna house party at SF State.
What's up?
We got a house party at SF State. Just crash it with a G-Wagon.
Bro, let's just go to your house. You have a house in the city, bro. Come on.
Dude, your G-Wagon
Small, it
seats
doesn't
7.
matter, bro. What?
Your G-Wagon seats 7, doesn't
It's
it?
got troop seats. You're right. You're right.
So we could pick up the quantifiable unit of gang of hoes.
I only take ABGs though.
Only ABGs.
Only
That's
ABGs.
easy.
That's it. That's the criteria. Oh, what's the demographic in the city?
SF is more like Fabi ABGs.
5
Yeah,
ABGs. They
yeah.
got money though, right? They got money.
Yeah, but not the kind of money you want though. You
It's
know?
okay. Nah, dude. I'm trying to be a sugar baby.
Dude, that's the goal. Right?
You need a Mercedes picking ABGs. G-Wagon.
No, man. ITR, dude. ABGs like Hondas with VTEC.
The only thing that ITR is gonna attract are guys that are bigger than me.
Yo, all right, yeah. So we're going to the city right now. It's a Type R. We got Rue over here. It's Tacoma right next to us. You see this? We're on the 80. Let's chill. What's the plan right now, man?
Just gonna get some food.
Some ramen.
See what happens after that. Yeah.
Hey, check out this plate. Look at this shit. You see this? See that? We're in Japantown. Dude, the traffic in here was insane.
Traffic is always insane. Yeah. If you're never been to Bay Area, it's like
Constant.
it's constant.
Ramen Yamadaya.
If you're really selective with who you pick, and if those matches, then they'll put you higher up in the list.
This is clean.
Quick poll. We're in the bookstore in Japantown. Would you rather have her or her?
I mean, she's got one personality.
Who? That one?
Oh yeah, obviously.
Yeah.
Yeah, obviously one personality. Now.
How about her? She has a mole. All right, we're swapping cars. Mobbing in this Tacoma now.
Where's the keys?
I got it.
You got
the
it?
keys. Let's do it. Yo, what the fuck? This thing's so high.
This thing's dope.
Dude, I just slammed my knee getting into this thing. Oh my god, I'm gonna hit that? Jesus. Oh, that's no joke.
This thing is fun, but scary at the same time. It's so big.
You can't really see too well over the hood, huh?
Yeah, you can't.
It's like just too high. There's City Hall right here in the distance.
Take a box is way louder now since it's not that. Like,
That's a red light, dude.
Literally
Oh.
just
got a fucking aquarium with a fucking dragonfish.
He just parks us on the street.
Look at this. Parks on the street, yeah.
Volks. That's clean. All right, now we're at Yan's house looking at his NSX.
Oh, the expansion tank?
Say condom. Since I have the carbon diffuser and then my exhaust is.